Hi students, welcome to Jepullarity Degree and PG College. We are learning computerized accounting through series of video lectures. Last classes we discussed about creation of company, creation of accounts groups, creation of accounting ledgers, inventory, stocks, groups, units of measure, godowns, voucher entry, F11 features, F12 configuration. In this lecture, especially we discussed about company info window. Just a minute. Right. Now we'll open PPT for us. Start closing is opening. Okay. Creation of company and company features. Features of how to create company. Okay. So first we will open the tally. When we open, we will get gateway of tally. Press Alt F3. This is the window which we are getting. Select company, connect company, shut company, create company, alter company, security control, change tally vault, split company data, backup, restore, and quit, closing the company. Okay. Now look, come to the PPT. Look at the window. Company info. In that, select company. So when there are more number of companies are created, then we will use this option to select the created companies. Then the next one is connect company. So presently total world is connect with internet, and whenever you are going, you are carrying your laptop, you can manage your business or tally from the laptop itself. That's why there is a feature called as tally.net. Whenever you are going to select a company remotely, you can use this connect company. Email, password, those features are there. That features we have to enter in the window. Next one is shut company. It's nothing but a closing of the company. Does not mean deleting company is different with the close of the company. Live company or the company which is in menu will be closed. Open company will be closed. Delete company is permanently deleted from the tally folder. So that is shut company. First feature is a creation of a company. A company is created in tally for recording the information. So next, alter, modify, change as per the requirements. Once we created the company, we can alter the company or change, modify the company information. By using Alt F3 is for company info window, and select the company in alter mode. Whatever the changes you want to do, that you can do. Next one is data security or security control. It is main concern. Security of data is main concern of business. He has to save his data, which is purely financial information, and also to maintain confidentiality. So that's why password protection should have to be given. We can see the window, security control window. You can see this one. When I select the security control in that company info, I am getting this window. I have to set yes here. Then automatically it will ask about who is the name of the administrator, what is the password which we are going to give, and for the security purpose, repeating the same password, and email ID to give browser access. Then that is security. Okay, security. Next important one is tally vault. Tally vault, the companies which enabled tally vault are encrypted the data that requires specific passwords during handling. It means it is double protection, and the total financial information cannot be hacked as it is. That will be encrypted. change it to zeros and ones, whatever it may be. So if you forget this vault password, then you cannot get back the information. That's why we have to take care about when we are enabling tally vault option. Then split the company data. When the data of a company is big, huge data is there, that data can be split into either 3 months or 6 months. That window we can see later. So split data, split company data option is changing the company into two portions, company 1, company 2, like that. One more advantage of this software in company info is backup and restore. The virus is one of the threat to the software, and also damage of power failure or power, and due to power shortage, and hardware also will be damaged for the computer. Then invoking the data, restoring the data or getting data back is one of the serious problem to the accountants. That's why what they will do, they will keep a auto backup option in tally. Auto backup option is while you are doing simultaneously, then backup will be automatically come up. So the total information is stored in some other place where you can retrieve or restore later. The company information, all the company's information or only one company information, you can take into pen drive or CD drive or the same another folder in same drive or folder in another drive. Similarly, we can also restore the information whenever we are started our work. The same thing will be, we can restore to the normal drive or tally ERP9 drive. Okay, these are the options available: select company, connect company, shut company, create company, alter the company, and security control, tally vault, split the company data, backup and restore. Quit is to come out from the tally itself. One by one windows we can understand before going to do with a live example. Okay, company creation window. You please look at the directory. Directory, C drive, users one folder is there, in that public is another folder is there, in that tally ERP9, under the tally ERP9 software, there is a folder called as a data. Okay, so we will see that one. Charlie. I'm opening that software folder, Explorer, File Explorer, Tally. Users, here is tally public, tally ERP9, find the data. 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the names of the companies. These company names are given the names. Tally is naming those companies with these numbers only. We cannot identify with the name of the companies. Look at here, C drive, users, public, tally ERP9, data. So the first directory information indicates that whatever the company we created, where it is going to save. Next, name of the company, as usual, whatever the company name which you are going to create, you have to give that one name. Mailing name, if some companies are having different names, like TCS, Tata Consultancy Service is the big name, but their shortcut will be TCS or their mailing name will be TCS, like that. Address, full details of the company. Here, country is very important. So, Tally is developed according to the individual country's information. So, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal are using rupee as their basic currency. That's why the software, whenever I selected India here, I am getting a symbol as well as a name, formal name. If I selected another country, name of the currency, symbol of the currency and name of the currency will be changed, and that will be integrated according to their local tax rules and payroll system and everything. This software is globally integrated with the different countries tax and their rules and regulations. India state also, some states are giving exemption to some products. So that is also enabled by the people, those who developed the software. State also you have to select PIN code number, phone number, mobile number, fax number, email, and any website information. This total information regarding the company. Then coming to the books and financial year details. So here there are financial years are there which starts from April, June, July, October, like that. So different companies in India, Indian financial system starts from April. Government is proposed to start it from February itself, January itself. Central government proposed to change our financial year from April to January. Why don't we follow calendar year? Why we should follow this old tradition starting financial year from April? If government changes our financial year from January, and we can select 1/1/2000, or individually your company is taking financial year from 1st July, you can take as 1/7/2020. This is quite different. Books beginning is quite different from financial year begins from. Suppose according to the new rules of the government, suppose government changed financial year from 1st January. So my company is also following 1st January as a January to December 31st as financial year. Then, but my business started from 1st March itself, 1/3 onwards. So books beginning is a starting of the business. So what I will do, I will select the financial year 1/1/2020, but I will select books beginning 1/3/2020. That is okay. One more security control is Tally Vault password, which encrypt our company's information. When I enabled yes, I have to give password, and then my company will be secured with encrypted data. User control also we discussed in that previous company info menu. So when I said yes here, then to whom I am giving control, I have to mention their name and email ID. Okay, that is regarding security control. Look at the currency information. I selected India, that's why rupee symbol. And for in old software which we come across from 5.20, we don't have any currency symbol. And very recently government enabled, 4-5 years back, government enabled with the symbol. In America is having a dollar symbol, but India is writing RS. So why we should have to be write RS? That's why Indian government put a competition and ask the public to give a symbol. This symbol is selected by India with this one. So now new software, new releases or new versions are enabled with the symbol, and we are calling it as formal name as Indian rupees, suffix symbol to amount. Usually in US dollars are writing dollar symbol 400. It indicates that $400. So when I want to write a rupee symbol and 400, then I have to set S here. suffix symbol to amount. Add space between amount and symbol. If you want, then you can put yes. If no, then automatically both will become one simultaneously. Show amounts in millions. Usually we will write thousands, lakhs, crores like that. But you want to with three digits like that, you can set yes. Some companies they measure their financial information in the form of millions and trillions. Number of decimal places you want to 2, it can be 2. You can put 2 or you can put into 0, make it to round figures. And word representing amount after decimal means this after decimal you are giving after rupees you are giving decimal places to, then 25.32 means 25 rupees 32 paise. You want to repeat this paise after that decimal places. You can set yes here or you can leave like that. Then the number of decimal places for amount in words. Whenever you want this one, words writing also you want to convert, you can put this one. This is company creation window. Then coming to the security control window. When I click on the security control, here you see here, security control window. Then I am getting this one. I said for this company, Jubilarity Suites, I said security control yes. Then it is asking to whom you are giving control, name of the person, and what is the control, whether through password. So what is the password? Retype the password and email ID to give browser access. So Tally Vault features here also you can enable them. Okay. Then coming to the Tally Vault password, look here, name of the company, Tally Vault password and retype the password. With this from the company info also we can set this one, or from the creation of the company also we can have security control and Tally Vault passwords, Tally Vault password and security control. Then next coming to the splitting the data. Splitting the data. See here this window. Split the data. So Jubilarity Suites data is split into April to August and September to maybe March, I think. Because books are beginning from, financial year starts from 1st April. 1st April to 31st August is one company, first company they created, they split the data, and 1st September to 31st March, and one more company was created with this. So total company is divided into 2. Company 1, first company, and second company. Name does not, name or whatever, no changes at all. Company will be with the first company and second company. Duration of the company will be split into 2 or 3. Okay, that is split company. Next important feature of the Tally is backup. Backup means taking back of our data into some other device, either CD or pen drive or same folder in this. So what we have to do, source folder, already we saw that source folder. That folder information it is giving C, users, public, Tally, ERP9 and data. So this company's data, Jubilarity Suites data is stored in this folder. That is source. Destination. So I want to take up in pen drive, or first I want to take up in a folder on desktop. Simply I have to press C:/ desktop or any folder name. So a TBK file will be taken into generated. That TBK file is a backup of Tally. Okay, that is the procedure of backup. And restoring the backed up information. Simply go to, now the destination will be, you see, please observe, source and destinations were changed. Earlier source is present destination. So what I am doing, the data which I copied into CD, from CD to I am copying into or restoring to the original place, original location. So this is the procedure to back up the data. Okay. So we will take one live example, creation of the company. So whenever I will close the company. I will open from starting onwards. Start. If you are using this, then you can type that. Tally ERP9. We are using a education version. Initially, I am getting gateway of Tally. So when I got gateway of Tally, simply Alt F3 for company info. See students, select, connect, shut, create, alter, security control, all this information. Okay. So I can select the company. The companies which are already created, 4 or 5 companies already created, I can select any one company with that option, select company. Okay. Then go to the connect company. I cannot do because this version doesn't have that permissions. If full version is there, licensed version is there, then it will ask about email ID, password, and that one. Okay. So I will canceling that one. Shut company, closing the company. Okay. I already opened RAM Enterprises. I want to close either RAM Enterprises or Polarity Suites. I want to close RAM Enterprises. Select shut company, select the company. You see there is no other company here. Okay, closing company. Now create company. Right. Name of the company is Swedish Exporters. And address is Hyderabad. Indian. Swedish Exporters is Indian company. India, state is Telangana. Press first letter anytime. Telangana. Pin code number is 50059 and phone number is 457896. Mobile number 9966887745. And fax number, email ID, website. Okay, right. So I am taking the financial year as 1/1/2020, but my books are started from 1/3 March, or company can start from January also. That is okay. So here I am not giving. I can give old password, but I am not giving password because if I forget that one, then it is not possible to recollect. That's why Tally Vault I am not giving. Security control, if I said yes, see the options which are available. Name of the administrator, password, retake the password, email ID, use Tally Vault features or not. All this it is asking. Okay, na? This one also I am not giving any permissions. And look at when I selected India, look at here. Currency Indian rupees, name is INR, suffix symbol to amount to no, we won't write with the like dollar symbol. Okay, so that's why we have to keep no and add space between the amount and symbol. Usually we will do that one. We are not taking suffix as a symbol. That's why you can keep it as no or yes, whatever it may be. So we won't write our amounts in millions. That's why it is also no. Decimal places are required. That is, we are reading it as paise, and will be decimal places are. Don't forget to press yes. Then only it will be saved. Look at the students. The new company is created, Swedish Exporters. Earlier these are there. Okay, which is in bold. It indicates that the company is opened for taking the ledger accounts. So that is next create a group of companies. Take that one, okay? Exporters. Export business, I am having one group. Export. Mailing name will be address same. India. Same. So, Polarity Sweets as well as Swedish exporters are two companies I am making into a group called as export or exporters. Okay, export company like that. That's why I am grouping the company. Look here, please. Okay, G Polarity Sweets as well as Swedish exporters are showing one by one. I can also ungroup company, I think. That option is also available. Okay, later we can see that one. Okay, then alter in the sense change the information, change of information. If we created when we are creating the company, if we made any mistakes, we can alter the exporter. So I'm not interested. Exporters, I want to give name as exporter. Exporters. Yes. Name changed, automatically changed. Okay. Security control already we learned. Again, we can see this one, security control. When I press yes, see administrator name, password, email ID to access the browser, everything is displayed for us. And change vault password. Here also you can give. That is change vault. Split the company data. Select the company which you want to split. G Polarity Suites I taken. So I am splitting the data from 1st September 2020. So it is taking before September 20 is one first company. After September to end of the financial year is a second company. Here also you can see the division of a company. Verify company data. Any split company is there, na? See students here. 1 4 and 1 9. Two companies are there. So I want to check any errors. No errors found here. Then coming to the backup. So I selected a folder, C drive, desktop, and college. So that is the destination folder where my company should be stored or taken backup. Which company I will take? RAM Enterprises I am taking backup. After selecting the company, select the end of the list. So we will check whether in the college is there any folder is there or not. Explorer, CLG folder, college folder is there. TBK, press T. Just a minute. We are verifying whether it is backed up or not. Once again we will take backup. Backup. End of the list. Yes. So what I will do, Explorer. C drive is there. This PC. C drive. Desktop. College. Right. So there are, you can see the timing also. 9:23 one company, earlier company, which we taken backup, and 9:24 one more, another company. Two backup were given to us. Okay. Backup file always stored with these names only. TBK 900, 1002 and 1005. 1002 and 1005 are the name of the companies which we cannot identify with the original names which we are created. Okay, restored. So these are the backup files which are available. Swedish exporters. When I press this, yes, you see here company number 1005 already exists. You want to overwrite or no? Why? Because we restored from old data to the new folder. Now we backed up the information from old data file to new path, that is college CLG. Now we are restoring CLG to old file, that is data file. So already old information is there. It is asking us to overwrite or not. So I will tell no. Okay, that is over, that is. Then I want to quit the company, simply quit. And again press escape. You will ask to quit yes or no. Set yes, automatically company will be closed. Okay, that is the creation of company as well as its features. Okay, students. So take any example from your textbook or whatever it may be. Create 2 or 3 companies, and you can get equipped with how to create company and what are the features you can easily understand. Okay, bye students. What you will do, whenever you want to get the updates from my videos, whatever the videos I made, if you subscribe, then you can get the updates. Please do subscribe to get information up to date. Bye.